Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself for telling no what I go on for not to go on. You see me, so let's kick it off with dancehall artist Flippa Mafia. Yeah, May 14th, couple weeks ago, the judge ordered him to remain behind bars while he fights this new case. You see me, I say, obviously because he violated parole for doing the same thing. But nevertheless, the feds them shut him down again because, when you initially appear in court, they have to ask for all of the evidence. And after doing so, his private attorney quit upon him and he was appointed a public defender. This is what I say. But nevertheless, the Fed said them not giving him everything. Whatever more they give him has strict restrictions because there's more people bound to be arrested. Yes, my people, this is not over yet, The Fed say if them give Flippa Mafia all of the evidence right now, some people that's still undercover, like agents, some people who, confidential informants, their cover can be blown. This is what I say, and we'll just waste taxpayer money. So them telling the judge, Flip, no, 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 no. But if you want it, you can get it, but you only have to, review it in front of, certain people's eyes, like the lawyer and the judge and the prosecutor, but them can't make no copy, and none of them think there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These are some of the court documents, so you can press pause, put on the screen and read it, But that's giving them a quick update while going for it to go on because it's not looking good, honestly, my peeps. Because, we all did the review said, Damian Jones is snitching, but whoa, may I look upon who is representing who, and guess who is representing Flip co-defendant. Yeah, Clifford Brown is being represented by a U.S. attorney, basically a federal prosecutor. So, say everybody's going to plead guilty, everybody's going to admit to their crimes, everybody's going to tell on everyone, including themselves. This is what I say. Wow, I just don't know what to say anymore, but he messed up, you see me, or did he? Cause say asylum business my deal with, but nevertheless, let's proceed to the next topic at hand. Because there's a whole lot going on with Jamaicans, from the A-listers to the T-listers. Now, if you don't want some real mix-up, just follow my Boom Bye Bye news channel, because that's where we really put in, the other mix-up and them stuff. Yeah, this channel, is more, dancehall orientating. But nevertheless, people, they mash up Natty and Wickedy. Me say them mash up Natty and Wicked. Boy, people, me never say a beat down like this in a long time, a proper beat in the girl them give her, I couldn't even believe say Natty not even try defend herself. It's like when them thick girl drop, all of them senses get knocked out. Like you see them slim girl did I deal with Rosalie. I saw them slim girl they did I deal with Natalie, and Natalie thicker than your granny cornmeal porridge. Yo, you want to see how the next girl flip Natty friend and just delivered BWWF haymakers, you feel me? If you want the video, just holler at that number you see on my screen. Hit me on WhatsApp and I'll send it to you. Up on my Twitter and my IG. But me will send it to you directly. You feel me? Whoa, what a proper beat. I get about 7 different angles in them. You know what I mean? But let's give you a quick update while I go on for the go on, and say them mash up the key of them place, yeah, Natty and them run up in the girl them yard and mash up everything. We have that video there too. You see what I say? Anyway, don't forget to check out these next suggested videos on the screen and subscribe to the channel in the meantime if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest. Bless.